All right, sports fans, the structure is now complete. There you go. That's all the steel in. Those steels that you can see there running across there, they are 6.5 meters, I think, or 6 meters. Probably 6, given that that's going to be the size of the roof lantern. So that space that you now see there, that's where the roof lantern's going to go, which is going to be pretty big. So we've got to think about the lighting that we do behind that, and now we're going to light it all up. And as you can see, they've now just finished the top of that area, and tomorrow they're going to be doing the pointing. So that's another step forward. So what's quite interesting is, as they've been taking the plastic fascia down, you can see how the original house had wooden fascia all over it, and it's just a mess. Now I'll show you what I mean by a total rotten mess around the other side. This is the other side of the house, right? And look at how rotten that fascia is, and it's going to go all the way along, right? So you can only imagine how wet that's been. Doesn't fill me with hope with the rest of the house, but hey ho. But it is completely and utterly sodden. And what I also notice in here is a big old wasp nest. I don't know if I can get to it. Let's have a look. No, I can't. Well, anyway, that'll be fun when we open that up. Buzz. So this is a different view of the full structure. As you can see, it's pretty clever the way the structural engineers work it all out and design it. Hasn't fallen down yet, so fingers crossed it won't when the roof goes on. But one problem I've got, didn't take the ring camera down, so that's gonna have to be moved, isn't it? All right, it's birthday time for me. There's the boys doing all the pointing, making it look fantastic. Great. We've got Bart absolutely smashing the life out of the conservatory floor. I'm well happy about that. We've got Andrew at the top. This is what we like to see, progress. Unlike the badge, no progress. But it's all go again. All go. This is what we want to see. Floors up. Patio is no longer in existence. It's looking good. Look at that pointing. Pointing's amazing. Proper craftsmen, these boys. Love it. Yeah, should leave it like that, right? Oh God, no one will have this. it is the end of another day, and the pointing is coming on great guns. This colour that you see, that'll die down a bit in time. It'll turn up lighter, but they've done all the top halves, all the scaffolding's down now, so that's awesome. As you can see, tomorrow all I've got to do is the bottom halves of all of the pointing, and as I say, it'll all die down a bit and they'll brush it all off, etc., make it look awesome. So that's great, good news. This is the other side. So we haven't been down this side much of the house, but as you can see, they've done all of that as well. So make great guns there.
Hi.
That's going to be the boy.
It's our window.
That is going to be our window. We had them come and measure up today, so that was awesome. Getting more and more things there. And as you can see,
to have bricks like this, but now they've digged it up.
Doug,
Dug it up.
get Dizzy out of there. That's the dog, not doing as I'm telling her to. But yeah, all the patio has been smashed up. What was the patio? So that's all gone now. The best part about all of this, as I say, is that they smashed up the conservatory. So really pleased about that as well. And you can see here, there's actually quite a drop down when you look at how far they've done all of that. And what this means, FFL means the final foot lines. So that's where it's going to come up to when they're building up all of this surface now. So all of that is going to be built up to the final footings, which will be there. This pipe here that you can see is a runoff coming from one of the radiators. So they're going to do something with that, who knows what. And then if I show you up here now, we have, there you go, we've got the bricks back in the wall. So they've just got to take the holes out and fill up the holes for that. And I think that's kind of like where we got to today. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it with all the steel in, and now they're just digging up all of this patio. We'll see what tomorrow brings, but I don't know what that could be. See when tomorrow gets here.